Hello everybody, so today we are going to talk about a very important topic, that is what is the difference between tree and plant. Generally people are confused between these two words. So I am Akriti and I welcome you all in my channel. Let's begin this learning. So these are plants. Plants basically have soft stem and they are small. For example, rose plant, sunflower, and many more examples are there. Now I have a question for you all. So in Hindi we call this flower Sadabahar. Do you know what do we call it in English? Comment me below in the comment section if you know. So people, basically in starting I have told you that plant have soft stem. You can see I can tilt it like this. That is why it is called plant. Now let me take you towards the tree and parts of tree. So there are roots. Roots are basically under the ground and their main task is to absorb the water and nutrients. Now let's come to this part of the tree. This part of the tree is known as trunk. It is very hard and the upper layer of this trunk, this part is known as bark. Bark का मतलब ऊपरी परत. Now let's come to the very interesting part, that is this hanging roots. We have already talked about the root which are under the ground, but what about these hanging roots? These hanging roots are known as aerial roots. तो आपको ये शाखाएं दिख रही होंगी, इन शाखाओं को हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं ब्रांच और इसी के साथ कुछ पतली शाखाएं भी आपको दिख रही होंगी, इन्हें हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं twig. So basically these are leaves, right? We can see lot of leaves over here and this is twig. See, we can easily break it. I'm not breaking it, but you can break it if you want. So this is called twig. Now let's understand the difference between branches and twig. So branches we cannot easily break from our hand, but twigs we can easily break. For example, neem tree, banyan tree and mango tree. And now let's come to two very basic things in tree. First one is fruits. You can see these red fruits in this tree, and second one is flowers. So people, if this video was helpful to you all and if you have learned something from this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get all the latest update. Till then, bye bye everybody and see you all in the next video.